now tuned into the Crazy Whip Edition. Put it. Hey man, y'all already know what time it is, man. Another episode, man. Little Crazy Whip Edition, man. You know what I'm saying? You know it raining and stuff like that, man. So y'all gotta bear with me. Y'all gotta bear with me, man. But anyway, man, it's some stuff going on. I gotta get that taken care of a little bit first. Stuff going on, man. You know I gotta handle my business. Anyway, you know what I'm saying, you know, Cuzzo came down here, you know what I'm saying, and grandma on Regal, the bad boy sound, it sounds good now, man, since you got everything fit, the transmission and the stall, man. I like how smooth it is, but like I said, man, then hey, y'all gotta be careful on these streets, man. I don't care where you at, track 2, man. You gotta wear a helmet. At least wear a helmet, man, when y'all race to your car, man. But like I said, check these 2 trucks out, man, in the street, man. They say y'all be careful out there. Be careful if it's side up, a pellet event or what. You gotta have a helmet, man, seatbelt. Like I say, you gotta stay safe. But anyway, man, I still coming for you, Dolo. I'm still coming, man. But he will be on the road soon, man. He will be on the road soon, man. But like I said, I got a surprise for everybody too. Got a surprise for everybody. Well, actually, soon coming up, me and Cuzzo got a surprise for everybody, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And like I said, man, we still gotta get a giveaway. Do a giveaway again. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Hey man, y'all listen up. Y'all listen up, man. I see a lot of folks saying that I will lose against my boy Paul in that in CTS, whatever it's called, CST. Hey man, how y'all know I will lose, man? I don't race some very strong call, man. Very strong call, man. Check out the ones I don't race. I don't race John Jones, man. Y'all know he make way more than 700 horsepower with the turbo. Come on, man. Then plus nobody knows how much Mike make. Nobody know what Mike make, man. Just out on the outside guessing. If you say Mike make 200, well, he make 200. If you make 100 horsepower, he make 100 horsepower. I'm not gonna argue with you how much Mike make. But then my car, then my combination. So y'all can have that a little bit. I'm saying, like I said, y'all just sit back and enjoy the show. Cause that's what we about to do, man. We about to have fun, man. So let's just say y'all stay tuned. Man. But yeah, we're gonna get busy. We're gonna get busy. It won't be right now, but we're gonna get busy, man. Like I was saying earlier. But I got take care of some things right quick. Y'all gonna keep me on Cuzzo page a lot. I say we're gonna do some things on his page a lot, and then like I said, we're gonna do some things on this page.
If y'all ever know
so
me and Cuzzo, man, back in the day and everything,
we start making back entertaining.
Hey,
well, it already entertaining, but
you know what I'm
saying, start making it back entertaining. And y'all know Mike ain't been on the road.
We always go.
Mike ain't been on the road, man.
A little sample, man. It's motor come.
So
man. I told y'all gotta stay tuned, man.
Yeah. So y'all, like I said, y'all gonna have to stay tuned.
Man, we try to
soon
support people, man.
Soon hit back the road.
They want to take
and stuff like that.
So all year for a 3-hour job. You know what I'm
saying? Make sure y'all like, subscribe.
You call for being, they call for drive train for being done, man. But like I said,
I can't talk right now.
Support people.
Can't talk, boy. I've been sick.
So like I said, don't look bad on me. You look bad on them.
Like, subscribe.
We went up Jesse.
Tell your mama, daddy, grandma, granddaddy. I'm saying, come and check out the Crazy Built Prediction. You know what I'm saying? We're showing out. Hey, y'all. Y'all got meat. Cuzzo. Meet Cuzzo out there, 80th birthday cookout, October the 2nd. I think it was October the 2nd.
Right.
I got meet us there. October 2nd, man. I'll be out there.
So I don't be
Mike might not be out there, but I will be out there.
Man, like I say, try to support people.
That's a little trip for me.
But hey,
it dry, but like I say, y'all see the inside of my car.
But anyway,
everybody got wires everywhere. So
grandma,
I made it like that until I get it fixed.
So, auntie, y'all.
Like I say, man, y'all meet Cuzzo out there.
And I'm out of here.
And I'm out. Yeah, man, y'all see it, man. It's going down. See it. Monkey Mom about to be out soon. I don't know why they say I'm bullshit, man. They doing all that capping, man. You see it.